Hi everyone, my name is Richard. Today is the 30th of June 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for SPX for the coming expiry on the 5th of July. So the CE and PE levels are the same, so that's neutral. The quantity is higher for PE, that's positive. The change is higher for for PE, which is negative. Short squeeze is higher for PE, which is negative. PCR is very high now, that's negative. Both implied and historical volatility are lower, so that's two positives. RSI is lower, so that's a negative. Let me change that. Negative. There's no divergence, that's still positive. ADX is higher, that's positive. ATR is lower, that's positive. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point is higher, positive. And candlestick is, however, still neutral, but the same supports and resistances as last week. And overall, the option chain predicts that the S&P 500 should go up this week. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.